guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be cleaning the house. If you guys didn't see my last video, I did get COVID. We were originally supposed to go on vacation from the 17th to the 23rd, but I got COVID, so we had to stay home. The CDC says that if you had symptoms and your symptoms are improving, you may end isolation after day 5 if you're fever-free for 24 hours without the use of fever-reducing medication. So I have not had a fever since last week, and all of my symptoms are getting better. I sound really terrible, I think, maybe, but honestly the only thing that I still have is a runny nose and like that congested sound and feeling. So yeah, we are going to pack up and head out for 3 days, and then we'll be back for Christmas. But yeah, so I really need to clean the house because one, I just feel like everything has COVID on it now, so I need to make sure that nothing has COVID on it. And then also when we come home from going out, I know I'm not going to want to clean everything up then, so I'm just going to do everything now. But yeah, so first things, I need to wash all of the bedding and like sheets and blankets and stuff, so I'm going to throw those in the washer. And then I'm going to actually take a shower because I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have not washed my hair in over a week now. I know it's really disgusting, but I just didn't feel like I didn't have the energy to wash my hair or like take overly long showers when I was going through COVID. So, but yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm going to do with my hair, but let's get to the bedding. So now that everything is in the washer, I'm going to take a shower now. I'm going to put this Mizani Wonder Crown in my hair. This is a pre-wash. On the back it says, prep your scalp for your next style transformation by removing product buildup, dirt, and oil with this gentle cleansing formula. And that's exactly what I need because I have a lot of oil buildup from the last week. So yeah, I'm going to put this in my hair and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Yeah, I don't want to show you guys though because my hair is so disgusting, but here we go. I'm just taking out my braid. I re-put in my braid every morning and night so that it wasn't falling apart. On the first day that I had COVID, I did not braid my hair because like it was the first day and I didn't really know what was going on. It was before I was tested or anything. And I was like dying. I felt terrible and I could not find a comfortable position. I was like tossing and turning, and by the end of the night my hair was like crazy matted. It was disgusting. Okay, so now that the braid is out, I'm just going to untwist the nozzle and then basically just like get it in my scalp. Okay, so now I'm going to take the scalp massager. Okay, now I'm going to add some water. Alright, now I'm just going to let it sit for a minute and then I'm going to shower. Hi guys, so I showered and I feel much better now. I'm going to get started on cleaning now, and I made a little Notion list of everything that needs to get done. I broke it down by rooms, but right above all of the rooms I have wash, I'll throw pillows and blankets because we have a lot of pillows and blankets that I used and I just feel like they need to get washed now. And then I'm gonna do the living room and the kitchen and the office and then our bathroom. But first, let's start with all of the throw pillows and blankets. Alright, so for this room, all I really need to do is wash the ottoman tray. We haven't really been in here since I first got COVID, but I still feel like it's good to clean it just in case. And then for the kitchen, obviously I need to clear off the counter, and then I also need to wash the dishes. Alrighty guys, the kitchen is all clean. I'm going to move on to the office now. Alrighty guys, the office is done. I'm going to fold and put away the laundry now. Today's Wednesday. Normally I do the laundry on Sundays, but since I was sick, I just didn't do it. So I actually did all the laundry last night and it's all ready to get folded and put away.
Place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way.
Alrighty guys, so I'm going to finish up cleaning. All I have left is the bathroom, and then I will be all done.
I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Across the road. a sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Alrighty guys, everything is all clean. It feels so nice to have a clean house again. I feel like I can go on vacation and not have anything waiting for me when I come home. But yeah, so that is going to be the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. That would really help me out. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!